escorted by Mr. Greg Angelo Hunda.
No pasa nada, no pasa nada.
Let's also welcome Mr. Dr. Milo and Miss Andrea Joy Galactora. Mr. Maxwell Milo and Miss Regeline Angela.
Sayaw! Hoy, shit!
Moving right up is we have Mr. Joshua Alonte escorting Miss Christina Alonte.
Huwag ka nang pala.
Show us your moves, Mr. Constantine Galactora and Miss Mary Joy Tumbakay. Mr. Christian Espina and Miss Dominique Rasturiana. We also have this presence of Mr. Cyrus Joseph and Miss Natasha Denise Tiga. Malayon ka with Miss Isa Jane Mastoriana and Mr. Eric Mastoriana. Miss Kay Michelle Lasancha and Mr. John Lloyd Sigal.
Wala! Wato! Next na lang, next! Wala to sila!
Let's continue with Mr. Marjon Zapa and Miss Prinsley Tumakay.
Wala! Next na lang!
Magpalayon na, we have Mr. Eddie Segovia and Miss Mariel Layaos.
Sila palupig ay!
Mr. Ben Shaw Quezon.
Sabi naman mo! Ikaw ka nagsinudungkay! Ikaw ka gali!
Let's also welcome Mr. Jonathan Tumakay Jr. and Miss Rosie Cabrera.
Sisibo? Aman, sisibo! Ayaw!
Also, let's Rosel Elliot. Moving forward, we have Mr. Reyna Joel Richa and Ms. Reyna Lee Daniel. We also have here Mr. Rolito Cabrera and Ms. Maria Questinova.
Ikaw!
Mariela Yawab and Mr. Eric Ederher. And we also have to complete our groups in advance.
Ay!
We have Mr. JR and Ms.
Junibel, harapan.
Cartel Tag. And of course, we have the confidant of our newlyweds, our best man and maid of honor. Let us all welcome Mr. Ted Louis Corenzo and Ms. Bea Bev Cabrera. At now, at this point, iawang na po ang tanang sa pagbarong. Photo sa mga barong pa, of course. Oo, excuse tayo, very light, no? Dapat na kita diha. Again, sa mga bisita, palihog po sa pagbarong. Photo sa mga barong pa. Oo, kanya. As we welcome the main